Cause if you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name.
Today we are talking about earthquakes in the past couple of days. These earthquakes have occurred between March 17th and March 22nd. Channel 24 News has decided to speak upon 10 earthquakes which have a magnitude of 2.6 to 7.6. To let everybody out there know, an earthquake is a shaking of the ground caused by sudden movement of large blocks along a fault. A fault is a fracture in the Earth's lithosphere along which blocks of rock move past one another. And most faults are located along tectonic plate boundaries. Which brings us to our report today on earthquakes. All 10 of the earthquakes we have decided to discuss happen to be along plate boundaries. To start off, 5 earthquakes have occurred along the plate boundaries between the Pacific and North American plates. On Tuesday, March 17th, there were 2 earthquakes, one in southern Alaska with a magnitude of 4.0, and another off the coast of Oregon with a 4.2 magnitude. What we also know is that these 2 earthquakes happened within a matter of hours. On Wednesday, March 18th, there was a minor 2.6 earthquake in central California. And on Friday, March 20th, in Washington, there was a 3.1 quake. And on the same day, a 3.8 quake in the Fox Islands of Altia Islands in Alaska. Now, in Crete, Greece, there was a 5.1 magnitude earthquake on Thursday, March 19th. This earthquake may have been caused by the African and Eurasian plates and the faults located along these tectonic plate boundaries. Two earthquakes were caused along the South American plate. One on Sunday, March 22nd, in the southern mid-Atlantic ridge, which was a 5.0 magnitude, also along the African plate, and an earthquake along the Antarctic and South American plate was a 5.1 magnitude in the South Sandwich Island region on Friday, March 20th. A 7.6 earthquake occurred in the Tonga region on Thursday, March 19th, which is the largest that we have discussed today. This earthquake occurred right along the Australian plate. Spanning out over the Pacific plate and some of the Australian plate. This earthquake was a 7.6, which means that the rocks moving along the fault of the Australian plate and the Pacific plate had to have been very strong, and the rocks must have been very large.
MIA, third world democracy. Yeah, I got more records in the KGB. So, no funny business. You already are.